Tandoori Chicken Tikka Biryani, an incredible dish bursting with vibrant flavors, loose, perfectly cooked rice, and tender chicken. With a cooling raita on the side, this recipe is everything you could ask for in a biryani. Join Mum and me in the Burmawala kitchen as we walk you through this recipe. Take 1 kilogram of chicken breast, cut into large chunks. This helps the chicken stay moist and juicy. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, and 2 tablespoons of ginger paste. Then, mix in the spices. 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon each of cumin powder and coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, and 4 tablespoons of tandoori powder. Give this a thorough mix, ensuring the chicken is evenly coated. A short marination is fine, just enough time to prepare the onions. If you want to enhance the flavors even more, you can marinate the chicken overnight in the fridge. In a large cooking pot, heat a 1/4 cup of oil and 3 tablespoons of melted ghee on medium. Once heated, add 2 large onions, thinly sliced. Now here's a key tip. Don't rush frying the onions. Take 12 minutes to fry them until they're golden and soft. Properly caramelized onions lay the foundation for a rich, flavorful biryani. When the onions are 80% done, stir in 1 teaspoon of green cardamom, 1 small cinnamon stick, 2 black cardamoms, and 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns. We're keeping the dry spices simple to let the tandoori flavor shine, but this touch adds depth. Once your onions are ready, it's time to add the marinated chicken. Slide each piece in carefully, making sure you don't leave behind any of the marinade. Cook the chicken on medium heat for 5 minutes, searing it to lock in the juices. You'll notice the spices blooming and the chicken taking on a lovely color. We are developing all our flavors here. Here's an important step. Lower the heat before adding 4 tablespoons of yogurt. This prevents the yogurt from splitting, keeping your masala creamy and smooth. Fold it in gently. Once the yogurt has been combined well, then add 200 grams of tomato pulp. I'm using canned pulp for convenience, but you can use fresh tomatoes if you prefer. Cook the tomatoes with the chicken for 2 minutes, letting their sweetness balance the spices. Cover the pot and cook the chicken on medium heat for 20 minutes. While it cooks, let's make a quick and delicious raita. In a small food processor, blend 4 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 onion, a small bunch of fresh coriander, stalks included, 1 small chopped carrot, 1 green chili, and 2 tablespoons of mint sauce. Adjust the consistency with more yogurt if needed. This raita is the perfect refreshing complement to the biryani's bold flavors. Halfway through the chicken's cooking time, prepare the rice. In a large pot, fill it 75% with water. Add 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon each of peppercorns and cumin seeds, 1 black cardamom, 1 green cardamom, and 2 green chilies. Bring the water to a boil. Once boiling, add 2 cups of basmati rice, thoroughly washed and soaked for an hour. This soaking step is crucial to achieving long, fluffy grains. Boil the rice until it's 70% cooked. You'll know it's ready when the grains elongate and rise to the surface. Check the chicken base. By now the oil should have risen to the top, and the masala should be thick and fragrant. No water was added, yet the chicken has released its natural juices, creating the perfect consistency. It's time to layer. Drain the rice well, as excess water can make the biryani soggy. Start by layering half the rice over the chicken masala. Then sprinkle a handful of fresh coriander, some fried onions, one tablespoon of kewra water, and 1 tablespoon of melted ghee. Add the remaining rice on top. Repeating the garnishes: coriander, fried onions, kewra water, ghee, and 2 green chilies. For a pop of colour, sprinkle some natural red food colouring over the top. Seal the pot tightly with foil to trap the steam, then place the lid on. Cook the biryani on low heat for 20 minutes. Once done, resist the urge to open it immediately. Let it rest, unopened, for another 20 minutes. This rest period is crucial for the flavours to meld and the rice to absorb all the aromatic goodness. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, the grand reveal. Remove the foil and take in the sight of perfectly cooked, loose rice with vibrant layers of masala chicken underneath. The aroma is out of this world, and the taste? Simply divine. Pair it with the raita you made earlier, and you have a meal fit for any celebration, or even just a regular Tuesday dinner. Let me tell you, it's not as hard as some people make it sound. If you follow our steps, you'll have a biryani so good that even your neighbors might come knocking. This recipe serves 8 adults generously, so it's perfect for a gathering or meal prep. If you don't want to share, it freezes beautifully for up to a month. Trust me, once you've mastered this biryani, you'll be making it again and again. Some tips: always soak your basmati rice for an hour. It makes all the difference in achieving long, fluffy grains. Properly caramelizing the onions is non-negotiable. They form the heart of your biryani's flavor. Let the biryani rest after cooking. This step ensures the rice absorbs every bit of the masala, making each bite burst with flavor. Biryani tastes even better the next day. If you have leftovers, though I doubt you will, refrigerate them in an airtight container and reheat gently. Thank you for joining us in the Burmawala kitchen.